Does drinking milk really cause a cold or a cough or cause a cold or a cough to get worse? Medically speaking, no, not really. Whole milk, just because it's thick, can make you feel like you've got a little bit extra mucus inside. Now, if you want to stop drinking milk during a cold or a cough, that's perfectly fine. But realize for infants and young toddlers, milk may be their only source of nutrition and source of hydration. So I really don't recommend stopping milk during a cold or a cough because I don't want them to lose out on any nutrition, nor do I want them to get dehydrated. So if your child has a cold or a cough and their main source of nutrition is milk, continue the milk. It's perfectly fine.